Hello everyone and welcome back to CodeFlix. So as we are moving on in our JavaScript tutorials, in this video we will see what arrays are in JavaScript, how to write them, and one another important concept, that is template literals. So I will explain what template literals are in the end of the video, or we can say the latter part of the video. And first we will focus on what JavaScript arrays are. So I will make a new file here. I will say arr.js, just give me a random name for array. And to declare an array, just write let, because now we will use let for strict JavaScript rules. Then let's say we make an array for fruits. So just define fruits here in quotes, banana, and let's give one more orange. So that's it, this is the array. And to print the array, just console log fruits. And we are ready, so I will run node arr.js and we get the arrays here. Now there is one important method of arrays, which is length. So to get the length, we give .length length for getting the length of the array. Now I'll run it again and it gives 4, which is the length of the array. So this is how we can write array length and everything here. Now if we add one more to this, let's say peach, and we save it and we run it again, it gives us the length of 5. So this is how we can make and use an array. Now let's say I console.log that the length of array is, and then I give fruits dot length and I save it. Now I run this, it gives me the 5, the length. But now if I want the dynamic value of the arrays, then we need to use template literals. So for template literals, we will be using template literals like this. Instead of quotes, we will be using backticks, which is just below the escape button. Then we will write whatever we want. Length of array using template literals is, and then give a dollar sign, give quotes, and just write fruits dot length, and that's it. Now we don't need to worry about the ending, the commas, the concatenating the variables, and just see the magic here. If the length of the array using the template reduce is 5, if I deduct 1 and if I run it again, it gives me is 4, the length of the array. So this is the use of template literals. We can insert the variables dynamically inside it, and it is very helpful in long run because we don't need to use this concatenation and other stuff here, because it gives us the facility to concat the variable inside and use it dynamically. It helps us while we are running the loops and everything, and it will be helpful in the long run. So this is all about arrays and template literals, and in the next video we will see what are the important methods in array which can be used on an array, which can be helpful to us. So I hope you liked the video and thanks for watching.